Welcome to Crypto Insights, where we teach you about crypto. My name is Thomas, and I'm the host of this channel. In this video, I will explain which browser wallets I'm currently using for which cryptocurrencies. What we have learned the last week is that you shouldn't keep your funds in crypto exchanges. You should get them out, put them on cold storage, or use browser wallets. Besides the fact that it's way safer to store it yourself, you also get way more rewards to store it yourself. So why wouldn't you do it? So in this video, I'll explain which ones I use, how you can find your perfect wallet, and what is the current market sentiment. So with all of that said, let's jump into this week's video. So before we start digging into which wallets I'm using and what currencies I'm personally staking in my browser wallets, let's go over the current fundamentals. Like, what are people currently thinking about Bitcoin? Why Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency, with biggest, I mean largest market cap. So this is really the indicator for the whole cryptocurrency market. So first of all, I always look into the crypto fear and greed index. So the fear and greed index shows extreme fear, 23. It's not the lowest, but I will tell you later. So we had 23, now we had 23 yesterday, last week we had fear, and the month before we even had an extremer fear. Then if you look overall, this is a great time to buy because the fear levels between 20 and 10 always indicated a great time to buy cryptocurrency. And when it goes higher than 70 or 80, that was a great time to sell. There is people that really just trade, buy and sell on the fear and greed index. If you want to know more about the fear and greed index, there is a link in the video below, and it shows you one of my earlier videos where I'm really going deeply into how is this sentiment calculated. Then let's go to the stock to flow model, where some people already gave up on it, but I didn't, because I think currently we are in extreme market conditions. We have massive inflation. The UK is even predicting 17% by next year. We have a war in Ukraine with Russia actually deciding or thinking about using nuclear weapons. We have China wanting to invade Taiwan, and we have global warming that is causing refugees to the north. So there is multiple factors that cause uncertainty in the markets. We also have the interest rate, and as long as this uncertainty is here, I don't see many price changes in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But we can look at the past perspective. So we're currently trading in light green. The color code is really based on how close we are to the next halving. So if we go to light green in the bull cycle before, there is a really short moment that you could pick up the cheapest Bitcoin prices before it would grow again. If we go one cycle before, we had still some time to buy. But basically, light green, although it's mostly positive, in Bitcoin, it shows negative. So if it's green, this is a great time to buy. And red is mostly a time to accumulate, or as you can see here, a time to sell. Then let's go into Google Trends. So this starts in 2004 until now, and we can just see that Bitcoin is very trendy. It becomes more and more and more trendy. And we see currently again a pike that might be due to all the exchanges. People want to know, what is FTX? Okay, FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange. What is cryptocurrency? What is Bitcoin? That's how I think we ended up here. But in a normal market condition, it shows bull cycles, as you can see here in 2021 and in the bull cycle of 2017. Then I would also like to go to TradingView, where I can really use my own indicators, and my favorites are the MACD line and the RSI. On the MACD, I just look for a golden cross or death cross that indicates either an upgoing market or a downgoing market. We're currently very much down, so this indicates a buying opportunity. Then the RSI is just stating, is the market oversold or the market overbought? So when the market is oversold, it means that there's too many sellers in the market and buyers need to come back in. And that is mostly a good time to buy. So currently, we're actually oversold. Overbought means that too many people or too many institutions are interested in buying, then that indicates the end of the run. And you can see it here as well. So if you compare it with the actual graph, you can see the RSI was a good indicator to see where the market is going. So now then, let's jump into what cryptocurrencies I am currently staking and what wallets am I using. So this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I'm not responsible for your losses. I'm sorry. But these are my picks. And I decided to take all my cryptocurrencies out of the exchange since I got caught in Celsius. I'm still waiting for the results. I'm still hoping that I get part of that money back. But so far, I just want to take all the risk away by taking my money from exchanges. The only reason why I'm still using exchanges is to swap from fiat currency to cryptocurrency. After I have my cryptocurrency, I'll just take it off the exchange. So then this is MetaMask. MetaMask, I think most of you will know. MetaMask is Ethereum, but it's also in the Binance chain, so you can add multiple chains. So I think as a multi-purpose wallet, MetaMask is definitely my favorite. And then I also have Ledger, which is the hardware wallet, where I mostly do cold storage and staking of Ethereum. Then here I have Yoroi. Yoroi is a wallet that that allows you to stake Cardano, and I'm still a big fan of Cardano. Then we have Phantom. Phantom is what I use for Solana, so I also use this to buy NFTs, store NFTs, but I'm currently also staking Solana. Then the Kepler wallet is for Cosmos. I am fairly new into Cosmos, but I think it has a lot of potential. That's why I downloaded it. I'm currently staking it for, I think, 10, 11% per year. And then I have Casper. And Casper I really believe in because it's kind of the biggest blockchain that is focusing on implementing blockchain for companies. So it's not completely public. You cannot see everything because companies will always want to have some privacy on it. And then I'm also staking Hedera, which is fairly new, and they're focusing on the same area as Casper is. So, what are the benefits from staking currencies in browser wallets? So, first of all, if you have some cryptocurrencies that you would like to take off exchanges and you don't know where to allocate them, just search for the protocol and search for the wallets that are linked to that protocol. Then there is a lot of YouTube videos that just shows you how to install those wallets. Why should you use and install those wallets? So if you are giving your cryptocurrencies, leaving them on an exchange, you're basically giving the permission to the exchange to use your cryptocurrencies. That's how people lost their cryptocurrencies, because the exchanges used it for bad purposes. But what you're also missing is the airdrops. So if your cryptocurrencies are on exchanges, you are not going to get the airdrops. The airdrops can be picked up by the exchanges, but I think in most cases wouldn't even be picked up by the exchanges. So if you stake cryptocurrencies or delegate your stake in your own wallets, you also have the rights for the airdrops, which sometimes can be quite nice. The other day, I received an airdrop of $100 and I didn't have to do anything for it. I just immediately exchanged it for a stable coin and that was it, period. So I can really recommend you, if you really believe in the cryptocurrency projects that you're holding on exchanges, to install the browser wallets. Always put the private keys and the seed phrases physical, so write them down, leave them somewhere safe, and then just leave it in your browser wallet. Your rewards will also go up, because if you put your staking through an exchange, they will take a large cut and you will get a small percentage. If you do it directly, then you just get the whole full reward. So this is the end of my video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding your protocols or you have any problems with installing one of these wallets, please let me know, because I would be very happy to help you. And I hope to see you next week. Bye.